welcome back. So we did have cloudy skies, made our way through the day today. After a couple inches of snow fell in North Platte, here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. We did keep the windy conditions with those northwesterly winds around 20 to 40 miles per hour through the day. Just a little bit of blowing snow. Visibility wasn't that much of an issue in North Platte or the surrounding communities going through the day today, but we did stay on the cool side. Here's a look at the current temperatures across the region. We are now into the lower 20s out toward Broken Bow, North Platte, and Ogallala. Also lower 20s out toward Imperial, 25 at Lexington, and into the upper teens right now at Valentine and Thedford. These are after reaching highs only into the upper 20s, which is pretty cool for this time of year. Here's a look at the winds, still mainly from a northwesterly direction. Winds have died down just a little. Right now around 15 to even 30 miles per hour sustained. And here's where some of the strongest wind gusts are. Out toward Broken Bow, we do have a wind gust close to 40 miles per hour. Upper 20, lower 30 range as you make your way from Thedford out toward Lexington. But the good news today, here's a look at the visibility where we are not getting as much blowing snow as we thought as we made our way through the afternoon and evening. 10-mile maximum visibility out toward Thedford, Ogallala, Lexington, and Broken Bow. Still dealing with some visibility issues in the Valentine area where they did get a lot more snow up in that direction. So here's a look at the wind chills across the region with wind chill values between 5 and 10 degrees in most places. So definitely prepare for that as you make your way outside. Now, here's a look at the weather alerts. A blizzard warning still in effect as you make your way into the Sandhills and into our western counties with the winter weather advisory from North Platte and points off to the south and east. It looks like the National Weather Service is going to keep these in effect until they expire tomorrow, 6 a.m. Central, 5 a.m. Mountain Time. Also, the pink on this map, just off to the north of Lincoln and Custer counties, that is a winter storm warning. So here's a look at the Doppler radar. We do have mainly cloudy skies into the Sandhills, partly cloudy skies in some areas off to the south of I-80, but we are still dealing with some light snow showers south of Valentine and just off to the east of the Arthur area. Could be a little bit of blowing snow out in that direction too, but we don't expect a lot of accumulation. So this main weather maker across the country, the low continues to move off to the north and to the east. Severe weather in the warm side of the system now affecting portions of this is Alabama, getting into the Georgia area. High pressure is working its way in, so it's going to take a little while to get here. We still have that flow mainly from a northerly direction, so we're going to keep that wind as we make our way through your Thursday and into the first part of the day on Friday before we start to calm down, and the high pressure will give us more sunshine as we start the day tomorrow. Now, Skycast shows we're going to keep more clouds off to our north, partly to mostly cloudy skies down south. Through the overnight, temperatures falling back into the upper teens, and we're going to keep those winds around 20 to 40 miles per hour from a northwesterly direction going through the day tomorrow. Another day will reach highs into the mid to upper 20s from I-80 points off to the south. And as you make your way up toward Valentine, high temperature is only around 17 with all that snow on the ground. Going through the overnight, Thursday into Friday, mostly cloudy skies starting off in the teens again. But we finally see a few breaks in the clouds with partly to mostly cloudy skies across the region and highs into the mid to upper 20s as we go through the day on Friday. So the high will continue to very slowly work its way in. We're going to keep the windy conditions all the way through Friday, and then more sunshine as another high pressure system works in. But it is still to our south, giving us that northerly wind that will keep us cool as we make our way through the weekend. High temperature on Saturday still at 31. There's your sunshine on Sunday, high of 29. Near 20 on Monday as we cool off again, mid to upper 20s Tuesday into Wednesday, and Wednesday is our next chance. We could get a few light snow showers. Kent?
Till then, bundle up because it's going to be chilly.
Yeah, definitely prepare for the really cool weather, and the wind makes it feel worse.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. Filling the dinner table is emptying your wallet. Food inflation remains on an upward trend, even outpacing overall inflation.